What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. If you're not following me on Instagram, you're missing out on a lot of greatness. So go follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. And if you're learning a lot, drop some love on my Cash App at $EarthLocs. This helps me a lot. It also helps to support the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the flipped fishtail plait with loc petals and extended loc petals. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. As you can see, I've completed quite a few loc petals here at the top, and I left quite a bit of hair out here at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and take this style in a different direction. What I'm going to do is take the hair that I've left out here at the bottom and extend this ponytail. A really creative idea I have is to extend it using a fishtail plait. So let's go ahead and do that. We've just come down just a little bit right under the loc petals that I did, and we're going to go ahead and split this into two sections, and we're going to start our fishtail plait. And what we're going to do is take locks from the back, all right, the same as the top. We're going to cross over. Okay, take one from the back here, cross over. Okay, just like so. And you can kind of hold the locks here kind of in the inside, just like this, if you will, kind of a reverse of what we did at the top. Okay, so we're bringing the locks from the back. All right, so we're going to come here from the right. It's going to come around, cross that lock, all right, and then just kind of go behind the rest of the locks. Okay, you can slide it up. All right, we're going to be creating this fishtail plait with this cross effect. So we're going to continue, bring a lock around front, kind of goes into the back, and we're going to continue all the way down until we feel like we want to stop, or should I say until I feel like I'm ready to stop. Okay, because we're going to bring it down, extending this ponytail. So just continue. Okay, family, so I think I'm going to stop just about here, and basically what I'm going to do is secure the fishtail braid on both sides. So just like so. Now you can play with this if you want and, you know, make it look perfect. All right, and this will cover. And what we're going to do is continue down this ponytail, and we're going to put some more loc petals. If you don't know how to do loc petals, check out the video at the top of the screen or in the description box. Detailed video on how to do loc petals.
Yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah. It's body, baby, oh. Body, baby, oh. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah. It's your happy day. It's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. So make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, ganga, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, ganga, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. So I go give you daughter, she go call you mommy, and she go call me daddy, and we go call her baby, oh. Alright, fella, so, hey, show my family love, hey, oh. far like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money go far like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day. It's your wedding day. Make we celebrate. Oh. Make we celebrate. Oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move.
And take this fishtail plait and just press it right up against the back of the head like so. I'm going to take a hairpin and secure it, because I don't want this to move around at all. So I'm going to put one on the other side first. Okay. Just like so. And I'm going to take this hairpin and just put it here. Okay. And I'm going to stick the hairpin in a downward motion, and it should slide in very easily, just to secure the entire plait and to hide that hairpin. Okay, just like so. Now that the hairpin is in place, the style is complete. Okay, check out the finished. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks. Any locticians that you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.